at this one, Daniel. This coffee machine is beautiful.
Wow, it looks very modern. Is it for your mother?
Yes, it is for her birthday. She loves drinking hot coffee every morning. I want her to have the best gift this year. Hello, sir. I want to buy this coffee machine, please.
Okay, that will be $150. Here is your item. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Goodbye. We are home. Let us open the box now.
Put it here. I want to see how it works.
I want to test it before my mom's party tomorrow. Look at that sparkle. It is perfect. Wait, what is that strange sound?
Alex, turn it off. There is smoke coming out.
Oh no, it is completely broken. This is a disaster.
That is terrible. You cannot give this to your mother.
I need to take it back to the store. Where is the receipt? I do not have the paper. The receipt is gone. I hope the store clerk can help me without the receipt.
Just tell them the truth. You bought it 2 hours ago.
Yes, I have the original box, so it must be okay. Hello again, sir. I have a big problem with this machine.
What is wrong with it?
I took it home and pressed the start button. It made a loud noise and smoke came out.
Okay. Give me your paper receipt, please.
I am very sorry, sir. I cannot find the receipt. I lost it.
No receipt? No return. That is the store rule.
But sir, I just bought this machine 2 hours ago.
I believe you, but I cannot do anything without the paper receipt.
Excuse me, sir. I was here with him. I saw him pay the money.
Your friend is not a piece of paper. The computer needs the receipt number.
Wait, I remember the exact time. It was 2 o'clock.
Many people buy things at 2 o'clock, young man.
Look, I took a picture of Alex holding the box inside the store. The digital timestamp proves we were here.
A photograph is not an official document. I cannot accept it.
Hello there. Is everything okay over here?
Hello, miss. No, we have a very big problem with a purchase.
Please tell me what happened. Maybe I can help you.
Sophie, they do not have a receipt. The store rules are very clear.
Let me look at the system first, Tom. We can check the history. Ah, yes. I see a cash transaction for a red coffee machine at exactly 14:05 today.
It does not matter, Sophie. Look at page 10 of the employee handbook. It says, a physical paper receipt is mandatory for all cash refunds.
Oh, no. Tom is right. The system shows the sale, but I cannot print a new receipt from this computer.
So, I lost my money? My mother will get nothing for her birthday?
No, Alex. Do not give up now. We need to find another way.
I understand your rules, sir, but I want to speak to the store manager now, please.
Fine, I will call Mr. Harrison. But he is very busy.
Hello, everyone. Tom tells me there is an issue with a return. Yes, sir. Thank you for your time. I really need your help. I bought this machine today for my mother's birthday. It is a special gift. But when I turned it on at home, it made a very loud noise. Then, dark smoke came out of it. The machine is totally broken. But unfortunately, I lost the paper receipt. Sir, we have a photo with the exact time. It was 2 o'clock this afternoon. Mr. Harrison, I followed the store rules perfectly. Page 10 of our handbook is very clear. Customers must show a physical receipt for cash refunds. No exceptions. We cannot change the rules for one person, sir.
Excuse me, Mr. Harrison. May I show you something in the system? Look here. Our database shows only one red espresso machine was sold today. The transaction matches their story exactly. The time, the cash amount, and the item are perfect.
Interesting. The data is definitely here.
Oh dear. This smells like a serious electrical short circuit.
You are right, young man. This machine is very dangerous to use. Tom, come look at this. Do you see this red star sticker on the bottom? Yes, Mr. Harrison. I see it. This red star means this item was already returned last week because it was defective. It was supposed to be destroyed, Tom. Tom, you did not check the back of the shelf. This machine was dangerous. I am very sorry, Mr. Harrison. The store was very busy this morning. I did not see the red sticker because I was moving too fast.
Tom, we must always check the safety stickers. It is our most important rule.
I knew it, Alex. It was not your fault at all.
I am glad we know the truth now. I was very worried. Forget about page 10 of the rule book, Tom. The store made a big mistake here. Alex, I want to say sorry to you. Our store gave you a bad experience. You do not need a paper receipt today. We will fix this problem right now.
Thank you so much, sir. I really appreciate your help.
Sophie, please go to the back warehouse immediately.
Yes, sir. I will go right away. I will find a brand new red coffee machine from our fresh stock.
Because you waited for a long time, I have something extra for you.
This is a free $20 gift card for our store coffee shop.
Oh, wow. That is very kind of you, sir.
I can buy some high-quality coffee beans for my mother now.
I am back. I have the new machine right here. Let us test it together before you leave the store.
Listen to that. It sounds completely perfect now.
Here is your perfect gift. Your mother will love it.
You did an amazing job today, Alex. You stayed calm and polite.
Thank you, Daniel. I learned something very important today. When there is a problem, we must speak up clearly and explain the truth.